everybody, I hope you are doing well. I'm teacher Samuel and today we are going to talk about phonetics, an important topic to understand the sounds of the language. Phonetics is the study of how we produce, hear and understand the sounds we use to communicate. This knowledge is important because it helps us improve our pronunciation and communication in any language. In this presentation, we will explore how sounds are made in the mouth and how we hear them. We will also look at simple examples to help you learn and practice. I hope you enjoy and learn something new about the sounds of language. Welcome to my video. Well, and let's start over here. Let's start with phonetics and phonology. They are closely related, but they focus on different aspects of speech, of course. Phonetics studies the physical side of sounds, how we make them with our mouth and vocal cords, how they travel as sound waves, and how we hear them. For example, the phonetic production. Something so really important that we have to take in mind. The phonology, on the other hand, looks at how these sounds work in a specific language. It studies the rules and patterns that organize the sounds and give them meaning. For instance, in English, the sounds change the meaning of words, but in some languages, similar sounds might not be treated as distinct. Phonology focuses on the system of sounds in a language rather than the physical properties of the sounds themselves. Well, let's check something important. Activate articulators are important because they move to produce speech sounds. These include the tongue, the lips, and the lower jaw, which we can control to shape the airflow and create different sounds. Passive articulators, on the other hand, do not move but play a key role in speech by providing points of articulators. Examples are the teeth, the hard palate, and the alveolar parts serve as surfaces where the active articulators interact to create specific sounds. I chose practically 3 of these important articulators to explain how the sounds are created. For example, we are going to check the Palatial, the Velar, and the Glotal articulators, which we are going to explore now. Let's start with this Velar sound, and in this case we are going to analyze the sound that it's produced with the back of the tongue touching the soft palate, the velum, which is essential for sounds like and. For examples, as you can see, we have cat, cat, and if you can feel the deep tongue, the back part of the tongue is touching the palate, the back part of the palate. Cat, key, key, go, go, and the last is going to be sing, sing. So practice is really important, and you are going to feel these important sensations to explore the pronunciation in these cases. For the palatal sound, we are going to place the middle of the tongue touching the hard palate. This is essential for the sounds like J, and for example in yes, in yes, yarn, yield, yield. Is practically the tongue is touching your palate in the up part of your mouth. Well, for the glottal, I need to highlight the vocal cords inside the larynx and show how airflow is modulated at the glottis for sounds like for example, in hot, hot, oh, oh, and the last word is happy, happy. Well, those are going to be three of the most important sounds we have in English. Well guys, practically that was a short explanation, but I hope I have learned something to improve our English. Remember the pronunciation, and these kind of topics are going to help us to understand a little bit better this important language that we are studying. Guys, thank you very much for your participation and see you in the next opportunity. Bye bye my friends.